Hello all you super geniuses out there. This is Mark. This video lecture is about finding the equation of the line. Okay, thank you for watching. So the first few equations of the line, we're going to use this formula right here, which is y equals mx plus b. Now y equals mx plus b is known as the slope-intercept formula. Okay. So m is your slope and b is your intercept. So m is your slope, b is your intercept. So I'll say it again. M is your slope, b is your intercept. Okay. And all you got to do is they give you the slope and the intercept, you got to plug in. So for here, they give us the slope and the intercept. So all we got to do is plug in. So like number 1, they give us m is equal to 5 and b is equal to 15. So I'm going to plug in So m is my 5, so I just plug in a 5 for the coefficient of x. 15 for b. So in other words, y is equal to 5x plus 15. Pretty simple, right? Yeah, it is. Yeah, how about the next one? So m is equal to negative 2, b is equal to 12. That's just simply y equals negative 2x plus y equals negative 2x plus 12. Alright? Pretty simple. How about one more of these simple ones? So one more of these really easy ones. Slope equals negative 3/4. Y-intercept equals 0,7. So then your formula for the equation of this line would be y equals negative 3/4 x plus 7. Okay. So those were pretty easy. Let's do a little bit more challenging one. So what if they just give us the information through a point and then they give us the slope? So for example, let's say if they say through 5, 8 and they give us the slope negative 2. Okay, let me adjust. So yeah, just like that. So what do we use here? We got another formula for this, and the formula for this is called our point slope formula. Okay. So that's called our point slope formula. And it's y minus y1 is equal to m, x minus x1. So in order to use this formula, you got to have the slope m and 2 points, namely y1 and x1. And guess what we have? We have the slope, and excuse me, I said 2 points, but 1 point. So we have a slope and 1 point. And so we're just going to plug in. Oops. Okay. Y minus y. So we're going to put in this blank y1. What's y1? 8 is equal to m. What's our m? Slope is negative 2. And what's our x1? x1 is 5. Okay, so let me just rewrite this so it looks a little clearer. Okay, so we got y minus 8 is equal to negative 2, x minus 5. Okay, so next we're going to do what? Distribute this negative 2. So negative 2 times x is what? Negative 2x. And then negative 2 times negative 5 is a positive 10. Okay. And then now what we're going to do, we're going to do what? To get y by itself, we're going to add 8 to both sides. So this leaves us with y is equal to So what's 8? 10 plus 8, that's 18. Plus 8 minus 8 cancels. So I come up with y is equal to negative 2x plus 18. Okay, looks good. How about another one? Let's say they just give us 2 points and they ask us to find the equation of the line. So how do we find the equation of the line if they just give us 2 points? So let's say if they give us the point 3, 4 and 5, 8. Okay, so here I don't have a slope, so what can I do? How can I find my slope with 2 points? Well, remember the formula for a slope? So what's your formula for slope? So remember, slope is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Well, if I label these two x1, y1, and x2, y2, I can easily plug it into here. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Simplify. 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. Reduce. 4 over 2 is 2. So my slope is 2. Okay. Now I have a slope. Still don't have the equation line, but have a slope, so I'm one step closer. And I don't quite have a y-intercept, so what can I do? I can use my what? I can use this formula right here, my point slope formula. I'll rewrite it just so you can see it better. So there's my slope point formula. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Okay, so I'm just going to plug in for what? I'm going to plug in for y1m, and x1. Okay. So what's y1? So I'm going to use these right here for my x1 and my y1. So I'm going to use 3, 4 for y1 and x1. Here's my y1. We found our m, that was 2. Here's my x1. Okay. Now I just distribute. So 2 times x minus 3 is what? 2x minus 6. Okay. And then I want to get my y by itself, so I do what? Add 4 to both sides. So that gives me y is equal to 2x, and then what is negative 6 plus 4? That's minus 2. So y is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, well, this concludes my video lecture about how to find the equation of the line. You can look me online, www.supergenius99.com. Thank you for watching.